In this video, we're going to be looking at AI image generation tools. So, if you haven't heard of AI image generation before, then prepare to be mind blown. I'm going to show you how to create mind-blowing AI images using AI image generation tools like Leonardo AI, Adobe Firefly, Bing Image Creator, and there are so many other tools you can use for this. There's Midjourney, there's DALL-E, Canva AI, and so many others. So basically, for those who don't know what AI image generation is, AI means artificial intelligence, and image generation is exactly what its name implies. So basically, AIs are softwares that can generate images, or AI image generation tools are softwares that can generate images that can mimic real life or even things that do not exist. So I'm going to start with Leonardo AI because it's my favorite AI image generation tool, and I'll show you just how powerful AI image generation tools can be. So let's go. So the first image that I will generate with Leonardo AI is a male model who is a mix of Brazilian, Chinese, and Nigerian origin. So once I click generate here, it starts to process the prompt. So basically, in order for you to use an AI image generation tool, you need to enter a text prompt describing what you want, and then the AI works behind the scenes to generate this image. So for Leonardo AI, you typically get 150 tokens every day as a free user, and it takes about 8 tokens to generate one image. So that means you can generate about 19 images in a day, and it resets every day. So if you're not a business user or a heavy user, then this will be totally fine. So you can see that it has generated a male model who is a mix of Brazilian, Chinese, and Nigerian origin. So what do you think about these results? Do you think it did well? I think it did pretty well. Yeah. So the next we're going to be doing is a realistic modern day photograph of King Solomon judging the case of the two women. So if you are a Christian or you've read the Bible, you probably have heard of the story of King Solomon judging the case of two women where they brought a child and each claimed that the child was theirs. So let's see whether Leonardo AI can do a good job of generating a modern day photograph of that. So while we're waiting for Leonardo AI to load, okay, so it's loaded. I see here that it shows us two women. Maybe because we didn't give it enough context, so it did not show us the baby that was involved. If we had given it more context, it would have probably done that. But this looks like the Jewish temple. So I think it did a pretty good job. Let's see what Adobe Firefly. So Adobe Firefly is another AI image generation tool that is also free. It's from Adobe. So let's generate the same image with Adobe Firefly and see the results it gives us. So in my experience, Adobe Firefly doesn't generate images as good as Leonardo, but let's see whether it does better this time. Wow, this is totally different. Modern day photograph of King Solomon. I really can't see King Solomon here. Oh wow, I really don't understand what's going on here. I think it's assuming King Solomon is a black man. Wow. Yeah, so maybe you can try it. You probably get different results, but it did not impress me yet again. So let's also try Bing Image Creator. Bing Image Creator is another image generation tool. This one is from Microsoft Bing, and it's powered by DALL-E 3. So DALL-E 3 is built by OpenAI, that are also the creators of OpenAI. So in the same way, you just enter your text prompt and click create or generate, and it takes a while and then it generates the image for you. Typically you are given 4 image options to choose from, and then you can upscale these images, basically make them higher quality. So let's see what the Bing image creator has done in this regard. Wow, it just shows us a lot of people, so it doesn't really give that context of 2 women. Same thing here. Yeah, it's basically just shows him as a judge. Here it shows 2 women, but it doesn't really give. It's not as good as Leonardo. This is why I like Leonardo best. So you've seen this. So let's try one last prompt. I'm going to do a picture of the Night King riding through Hollywood on his zebra. So the Night King, if you're familiar with Game of Thrones, you know the Night King. And basically, this is not a picture you would see typically. The Night King riding through Hollywood on his zebra. Even graphic designers will probably find this a little bit difficult to generate. But let's see what AI has done. So this is really amazing. It's the Night King and he's riding through Hollywood on his zebra. I think this is really good. So this is even more like a cartoon version of this. And this is more like a neon light version. I think this is really good. What do you think? So that's it. I'm sure you've seen that you can create insane images from AI image generation tools, and I hope that you try this on your own and show me what you've done. Thank you for watching. Bye.